Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the camera app and going straight to Settings. This is where quality controls live. Once inside, locate Resolution, Aspect Ratio, and HDR. These change image detail and file size. Make sure to pick the rear camera if you want highest quality, because front cameras are usually lower resolution. Also enable Pro or Advanced mode if available so you can access bitrate, RAW, and manual exposure later for finer control. Now change photo and video resolution to the highest settings. Choose 4K or the maximum megapixels for photos because higher values retain more detail. Then select frame rate, 30 FPS for smooth general video, 60 FPS for motion, since bitrate and FPS affect file size and clarity. If RAW or HEIF is available, enable RAW for editing latitude or HEIF for smaller files with quality preserved. Once done, verify storage space because higher quality consumes more gigabytes. Finally, fine-tune in Pro mode by lowering ISO for less noise, setting shutter speed for motion, and locking white balance to avoid color shifts. These control how that higher resolution actually looks. Then take test shots and review them at full size to confirm sharpness and color accuracy. If results are poor, clear the camera app cache, install updates, or restart your phone. These quick fixes often restore expected quality without deeper changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.